So I just got this new fidget thing here. This is different than the spinner. Well, it comes with a little sticker in the back. Let me peel that off first. Don't need that. Let me show you the product here. Alright. I saw this online and just intrigued, you know, to just want to try it out. So this one, well, this one's soft press, clicky press. This feels like a joystick on a gamepad. I think I like this one the most here, the switch. So sometimes I do this. It could be annoying. It sounds like a light switch. And it's fairly small. Fitting upon my hand here. Come with a little case for it, but I probably don't need it. Alright, well, thank you for watching.